need a call up Miss Cassidy. My name is Potty, got participation. Sorry for
this shit. Go spend some money.
Drink and some tequila with you. You know what I'm tryna do. Hey, let's pop the E off a live. I got some time in the blow. I got the money to blow.
What up, gang? So my driver's pulling up right now. About to hop in the Sprinter, go to the airport. Gonna hit Miami. It's gonna be a lit vlog. So yeah, let's get it. This is my driver right here, Carl. Only driver I use.
Yes.
Security.
I try to show love when I can.
Yes, sir. We in the Sprinter. Got my baby in here. Look at her. Chilling.
You can't be my girlfriend. Got a girl and my girl got a girl too. Scarface crib, it's my world too. My pillow recognize a perfume.
So I just picked me up a quick breakfast burrito before we go and hit the streets. Eating breakfast with my daughter. Hey, mamas. You like it? Good? Good? Okay. Yes, I'm about to kill this right here.
Going all out when it's by that bread and butter. The kill for clout, I put that on my dead brother, yo. He talk so much, I showed him I'm a real hunter. Won't say it, but he know I still got real cutters, yo. Yeah, I'm right back and I lost mad commas. I had been down bad inside a dog tunnel, yo. Fuck them boys, I found out who my real partners. And who was only with me.
Daughter just gave me a flower, but yeah, we just came to this place called Henry's to grab a bite to eat. Are ready to eat?
Yeah, we're starving. We're already cooked right here.
Yeah, so it's really nice. We're about to just eat some food. I got me a little burger and shit. So how you like Miami so far, babe?
I hate to say it, but it's a done deal.
Yeah, done deal.
Literally.
Alright, so I just landed in Miami, kicking it with my boy Tony right here. What up, guys? In the penthouse, just chilling. You know, looked at a couple condos, looked at a couple penthouses. Check out this view out here. Pretty lit. Yes, sir. Yeah, so this shit is fire. We just out here, you know, trying to run it up, meeting different people, enjoying the life. We went out last night, got turned up. Cool shit. Yeah, this Miami right here, bro. Might be the move. Might be the move. See this shit right here? We got Brickell City Center right there. Got a pool. It's lit, bro. It's lit. But yeah, I might be moving into this building. I'm trying to get it set up right now. I just told them give me the best unit they got. They really don't got too many options, but we're gonna make it work. Just give me the best shit they got, bro. Just give me the best shit. But it's fire. We got the water view. It's just the perfect spot. You know, right there, you can see right there that we got some whips. That's where all the influencers be. Alex G, all of them. That's right there. Moxie's. Every day you're gonna see SVJs, Bugattis, all that shit. As soon as I got to the SLS where I'm staying at right now, Bugatti right there. I think it was Lambo Rose, but it was like 6 in the morning, so I didn't see him, but I seen the Bugatti out there, so that shit was fire. It's just like so much money out here, bro. So much money to be made. All my boys' credit cards right here. Look at this shit. This motherfucker got a whole fucking thing of credit cards. Shit ridiculous. Like, come on now, bro. 2025 is too easy to get to the bag, bro. It's too easy, bro. He's literally robbing the bank. Like, god damn, that's just ridiculous. But yeah, we just chopping it up. We're probably gonna hit some restaurants or some shit. Who knows, bro? I'm just gonna bring you guys with me and see what the life's like. We out here in Miami. It's about what, 1, 2 a.m. Some steppers outside. Yes, sir. Do this shit. Go spend some money. You know what I mean? We're about to go to Balan's. Get some hookah, just chill, kick back, enjoy the accomplishments. Check what's going on right now though. People doing push-ups, some hoes in the back. My boy Khaled.
Yo, bro.
Bro, this shit is popping all the fucking time. So this Balan's right here. Look at this Lambo.
The original pronunciation is Balan, but they call Bailey, so like Bailey, yeah.
Got me a cool little drink. Out here in Miami, check out the views. this shit fire. I'm gonna have to get another crib out here. I'm gonna have a crib in Vegas, Cali, and Miami. It's gonna go crazy. All right, we outside, gang. We outside. We just went to Milan's, got some hookah and shit. Now we walking around. Moxie's. Yes, sir. Alright, gang, so we're just walking through some fucking shopping center shit right here. There's a club in the back, so we might go up in there. We just gotta see if it's popping first.
Geek never sleep. Stretch 100 to millions in weeks. Gotta run in and ride it for me. Where it's sunny, we gotta retreat. Straight from London, she out in the east. Let her shop and she keep the receipts. Don't you tell them you got it for me.
Alright, so y'all seen it. Motherfuckers were squabbling over there. The cops was fighting. Shit was crazy. I thought they was about to start shooting. But nah, that shit was crazy though. Shit was lit. Now we just walking down Brickell. Gonna go hit up a club or some shit. We're gonna see what happens, but yes sir. We out here at the casino. My boy YK, Khaled, Tony, Junior. Yes sir. A whole lot of money right here walking in.
Get it.
Yes sir. Let's get this shit.
Put a spell on you.
Alright, so it's the next morning. Just handling some business real quick. Just woke up right here in Brickell. Just to check out the view. Right. That's Brickell City Center right there. Pretty cool. This is how I think New York would feel, like just always busy and shit like that. But yeah, crazy night last night. We was just, me and the homies just walking around Brickell like 4 in the morning, bro. Like just chilling. Seen that big ass fucking rumble that happened. That shit was crazy, bro. Like, that shit was crazy. They was squabbling with cops and all types of shit, bro. I thought they was about to start shooting, but everything was cool. But yeah, bro. So right now I'm just trying to look at a couple places right now. I've seen a couple, they're cool, but I really wanted something bigger. But they just don't have it on the market right now. Everyone's trying to move here, so there really ain't that much shit to get. So I might just get some cool shit and then upgrade in the future. Brickell's cool. I'm thinking about, you know, getting a spot out here. Like the mall's right there, you know what I mean? There's always something going on. There's always chances to network and shit like that. Plus the time change is fire, so you know what I mean? This might be the move. We're gonna see what happens though. Actually, I haven't even traded that much this week, but I'm looking forward to Monday because I get to sleep in a little bit and then wake up and I'm really gonna be trading, right? Got me a little energy drink right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna go shopping and shit like that. We're probably gonna go hit some designer stores and shit like that. Who knows, bro? I'm just gonna bring you with me, bro. You know, I don't script none of these vlogs. It's just turn on the camera, let's go. Let's see what's gonna happen, you know what I mean? So, yeah, a lot of students been getting crazy results. My boy Ant just got his first challenge passed. And I'm just like, hell yeah, bro. Like, I get a lot of payouts. I get a lot of people doing a lot of crazy shit, but I'm really happy that Ant passed this challenge, bro, because he's been trying. You know, he lost his job, and, you know, he just went all in with trading, bro. He took that risk. And I love when someone takes that risk and they fucking win, bro. That's that shit that I like, bro. The underdog wins, bro. That's what I like. That's what I do this shit for, bro. But we're just gonna see what we get into for the rest of the day.
Never fuck the nigga, always stay solid. Keep it real with niggas, never lied and always stay honest. Love my bro so much, I never change on him. I'm the one to go and do the work, bring you the day.
Right, it's windy as hell. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear me. But we're in downtown Miami. Cool little spot right here. Just looking at the Paramount. Looks pretty dope. About to take my daughter to this museum of ice cream. We've literally been touring condo after condo. It's always something wrong, bro. Either the unit's too small. Nobody got no penthouses here. But Paramount was pretty cool, and I like this area around here. So we might have to fuck with Paramount. He's setting up a couple more units because I want a little bigger, but they really don't got that many options right now for penthouses. Oh, they got the Hype store. I know that's where everybody be getting their clothes at. This shit cool, I like it. Alright, we finna go get some ice cream though.